Your First Alert forecast with Chief Meteorologist Joe Winters.
So just like you saw, right now I am standing in front of that green wall, but you see the graphics behind us, and it's your first alert that we start with. And we're going to go ahead and talk about some isolated showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. As we head towards sunset tonight, we'll watch all that activity diminish. But until then, there might be a little bit around, especially near the Mississippi. There's an area of low pressure back off across the Ohio Valley, spinning some of that moisture just far enough back across areas of Iowa to have that occur. Then we look farther back toward the plains. Storm system starting to take shape in between our Wednesday weather, which is going to be rather warm. Here's a look at Pinpoint Futurecast right now, and we do notice some pockets of very light precipitation at 6 o'clock. By 9 o'clock, though, notice it's gone. Off across areas of Wisconsin, it dissipates. And now as we head through the overnight hours, while there may be some fog across areas of Wisconsin, it looks like here in eastern Iowa, we'll see mostly clear skies. That wind remains from the southeast. It's going to be a mild night as temperatures only fall near 60 degrees. And tomorrow, with the sunshine around, we are looking for a very, very warm day in some spots, possibly even hot, as we see temperatures approaching 90 degrees for tomorrow as well as Thursday. 59 in Fayette, 60 in Cedar Rapids, 59 in Washington. Your first alert forecast, mostly clear, a southeast wind at 10 to 20. And then tomorrow, zone-wide, north to south, mid to upper 80s, 88 in Waterloo, 88 in Iowa City, 84 in Dubuque, 85 degrees in Fayette. Southeast winds continue at 10 to 20, dragging that moisture in and pushing the muggy meter up as well. Now, as we look into Thursday, as we head through the early part of the day, those dew points getting into the mid-60s. But notice by 5, 6 o'clock, the dew points start to drop into some comfortable air. It's because that system is moving through. And with that, we see some thunderstorms moving across portions of Iowa. Now, heading to Thursday, late afternoon, early evening hours, potentially far northeastern Iowa, but more likely areas of Wisconsin. We have that severe potential out there, and in fact, an enhanced risk across central northern areas of Wisconsin. Large hail and damaging wind could result from some storms that develop. And really, we're seeing two rounds. One comes in the morning, it pushes into the area and kind of moves through the area pretty quickly. The majority of this is north of Highway 20, but as you see, even down toward Interstate 80, maybe in the morning, an isolated storm. Then the stronger southeast winds really bring some warm air into the atmosphere. It kind of caps us off, though, and keeps most of eastern Iowa dry and quiet. But those strong winds, again, into areas of far, far northeast Iowa into Wisconsin, develop into a line of storms and push farther off to the north and east, leaving the majority of the TV9 veering area without any precipitation from this system. Then you notice the wind shift back to the north. In fact, rainfall forecast chance we're seeing right now as well as Thursday, but overall not seeing much chance of precipitation as far as any high amounts. What we will see, some windier conditions, and that starts Thursday, Friday, even into early Saturday. Notice that wind shift back to the north and west for the weekend. That means some cooler weather is moving our way.